The other half still.
I gotta do like Charlie. Oh, my thing is not.
Yeah, because she takes.
She took it.
I hear you won.
I don't know what you're talking about.
I just wanted to say.
No, that's bad luck. That's bad luck.
You know what I'm doing.
That's bad luck. Get out of here.
Oh,
Get out of here. That's bad luck. You can take my. Don't take my luck. No, I don't want you to steal it. You give me bad luck and you take my luck from me. Beat it. Why do people do that? Why do people do that? They come touch on you because you win. You're welcome. You're welcome. Why do people do that? They think it's okay to do. You don't even ask. You don't think that that's bad luck? She went and she went. And then she goes, you know what I'm doing, right? I'm stealing your luck. She went and touched me on the arm. I don't even.
People do that to expose me.
You don't do that. Like, I don't even know her. And then next you know, you lose for the rest of the night.
You bring on your phone.
And they over there, bingo, bingo, bingo every 5 minutes. Why does she do that? I hear people do that to me all the time. Come and they just reach out and just grab you. You're supposed to ask. Why do they do that? I don't understand that. I mean, nothing against the lady because I don't know her, so it's not nothing against her like that. But you don't do that at bingo. You don't come and touch somebody because they won. Why would you steal their luck from them like that? I don't like that. A lot of people do not know bingo etiquette. We have to get Tanya to make a video on that. Bingo etiquette. Do not touch somebody because they won. Do not do that. I don't mind if you sit in my seat when I'm gone, but don't.
No.
Oh, you mean while they're playing? Oh yeah, no. Don't come sit in my seat either. That's.
No,
She did do it on purpose. She absolutely did it on purpose. She specifically said. She said she did it on purpose. She specifically said, "You know what? You know what I'm doing, right?" She goes, "I'm stealing your luck," and then she touched my arm like that. You're welcome. That you don't know. It wasn't like it was my friend that came over and was like, "You won, girl," and gave me a hug or something.
Yeah.
I have no idea who that lady is. It's okay. I let it go. It's only what you believe or what you're comfortable in. I don't want to make a big deal about it. I've already made a big enough deal about it as it is. I don't want to make a bigger deal about it. It's okay. She didn't mean any harm. She didn't know. I don't want to make a big deal about it. She didn't mean any harm. She just was just trying to get some good luck. I don't blame her. I would touch me too. I would touch me too.
Can I come rub on you?
Freaking Charlie.